In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Amazon account for easy access to your favorite products and personalized shopping experience. Whether you're planning to purchase a new gadget, book, or simply browse Amazon's vast library of options, logging in is your first step. Let's begin. First, head to your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in Amazon.com and press enter. You'll see a list of results. The official Amazon website should appear at the top. Click on the link that says Amazon.com online shopping for electronics, apparel, computers, books, DVDs, and more. This will take you directly to the Amazon homepage. Now that you're on the Amazon website, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page, just beside the search bar. You'll notice an option labeled Accounts and Lists. Hover your cursor over this and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, look for and click on the Sign In option. This action will direct you to the Amazon login page. On the login page, you'll see a prompt to enter your email or mobile phone number. Ensure you enter the email or mobile number linked to your Amazon account correctly. It's crucial to double check for any typos here, as this ensures a smooth and error-free login process. Once you've entered the required information, click the Continue button located just below the input field. The next step involves entering your password. In the password field, carefully type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock key is set properly. A useful tip here is if you tend to forget your passwords, using a password manager can help you store and retrieve them securely. After you have entered your password, it's time to click the Sign In button. This action will log you into your Amazon account. If you've entered everything correctly, you should now see your name displayed at the top right corner of the page under Accounts and Lists. This confirms you have successfully logged into your account and are ready to shop, check your orders, or manage your account settings. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to logging into your Amazon account. Once logged in, you can start taking advantage of the personalized shopping experience tailored just for you. Remember, signing in is the key to accessing your orders, wish lists, and recommendations. Thank you for watching and happy shopping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such guides.